So y'all, I had a client, pretty nice house. She goes to show me the first bathroom. Here we go. This is the first bathroom. It got destroyed. I decided to adopt some kittens. And yeah, that's all she needed to say. Feces in the bathroom again. Best friend, I went immediately in my profile and changed those words. Like, I put in big capital letters, no feces, animal feces cleanup, period.
Go best friend, 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 go best friend.
Hey best friend, welcome back to Qdee TV. This is your girl Qdee. If you're new to my channel, my name is Danielle, and today we have us some welcome to Moe'S. If you want to become one of my best friends, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified of when I post new videos. Okay, y'all. Whew. I just got off work. I mean, literally just got off work, grabbed me something to eat, and because I got a lot of stuff to do later on, so I was like, let me go get something to eat. Let me do this video, say hey to my best friends, and that's why I look a hot mess. So let's say this prayer, and we're going to say these shout outs, and we're going to get into this food. Okay, for the shout outs for today, these are my besties that came from the last video. If you did not see it, go check it out. I did the aloe vera challenge. And the first one we have today is Red ASMR. Hey girl. Then we have Touch of Love. That's another auntie of mine, y'all. Y'all go say hey to Mama Love and Baby Love. Then we have T Bryant. Hey best friend. And then we have Miss Diversity 3. Hey girl, she did my Sea Burger challenge. If you guys have not seen that, also go check it out and go check out hers. She had dang girl, I can't remember. I know you had some shrimp on your burger and she had some queso cheese, I think. Oh my goodness. That burger looked amazing. Last but not least, we have my girl Les Eats. Hey best friend. Hey y'all. So y'all, everybody go check everybody that has content out, go check them out. Tell them Qdee sent you. Let's eat, girl. So what do we have on the menu today? We have, it's called the Close Talker, and it comes in a shell, and it's just a salad. It comes on a bed of lettuce, and I got the pork carnitas, the shredded pork, pico, cilantro. Let me move this out the way. Black olives. Look at that. Doesn't that look so pretty? I just love taco salads. Black olives, pico, cilantro, jalapeno, sour cream, and then I have some Southwest vinaigrette from Moe'S. This is my favorite salad to get from them. So, and then we just have a bag of nachos in here with some salsa. All right, so we said our prayers. We got us some agua. I'm starving too. And I'm hot. And y'all ain't gonna believe the story. Well, y'all probably will, but y'all gonna be like, dang, that's messed up. And yes, y'all, my hair look a whole hot mess. A whole mess. Not a half a mess, but a whole mess. I'm telling y'all, this natural hair, I love being natural, but honey, when it get hot and you try to wear your hair, it's a no-go. I have to get me another protective style that'll last me a month or two. Cause we trying to wear it straight. Y'all see them edges? When them edges start buckling, it's a mess. It's a whole hot mess when them edges start buckling. So y'all, this is how I usually eat it. I'll just break the sides as I'm eating the salad. It's so yummy. We're gonna talk later because I'm hungry now. Try to do it so y'all can see it. Best friend, I have not been to Moe'S in so long. Got the green sauce. Y'all, we never know what the green sauce is called. I know you got salsa verde, and I think this one is called like tomatillos. I don't know. But it's good though. I gotta lower this just a little bit because I'm hungry. My stomach needed this, y'all. Thank you, Lord. Best friend. We are almost finished. I'm about to lay this thing flat. Get into it. I'm starving. Yes, I had it sitting on top of a book. Oh, that was it. So y'all, I had a client, pretty nice house. She goes to show me the first bathroom. Here we go. This is the first bathroom. It got destroyed. I decided to adopt some kittens. And yeah, that's all she needed to say. Feces in the bathroom again. Best friend, I went immediately in my profile and changed those words. Like, I put in big capital letters, no feces, animal feces cleanup, period. It's not gonna happen. I thought about, well, you could charge them $100 extra. But I was like, nah, I don't know. I'm gonna think on it. I'm gonna think on it big time because I can't. When it comes with animal feces and stuff, it comes flies and bugs. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody got time for all of that. I'm not an exterminator. I'm not a hoarding specialist or anything like that. I'm just a general housekeeper, okay? I don't come to do all that. That's not my profession. Oh. I'm like, this is the second house I've been to. And they just put the cat in the bathroom. Now, I can understand babies, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you have to do that with puppies. But, I mean, go in there and clean up after them every day. Don't just let it just get everywhere, you know what I'm saying? And get stuck. Now, the rest of our house was nice. This time, it wasn't as bad because it didn't smell like the cat's been here. You know, and the house smelled good or whatever, but it was just the whole fact, like, your girl is not made for all of that. depending on how the bathrooms in the house look without the animals in the house, you know what I'm saying? You might have me running out the front door. So when you talking about animal feces and stuff like that, puppies and stuff like that, they need to go in the garage so they old enough and they train, you know. Like, I understand the litter, kittens, puppies, but put them somewhere in a designated area. Well, where it would be a little bit easier to clean instead of just in the bathroom. You know you don't want them messing up your bathroom. You know you don't want feces smeared on the wall and in your tub and all that. That's just it's nasty. If you are, just clean up behind them every day. Excuse me. I'm not even full, but I feel better because I was hungry. I was gonna go to Chipotle, but I seen Moe'S first and it was closer, so I was like, let me go there. I'm glad I did. Plus, they come with chips. Moe'S, you did that, friend. Eat a couple nachos, and I'm out of here, best friend. So my sister is coming in town. She riding a bus, child. She only coming from Charlotte. Says she don't feel comfortable driving, so she could be here tonight. Supposed to have brunch tomorrow at 2. And I think she's going on the yacht party. I was supposed to go, but I forgot to pay my money. I'm going to check and see if I can still go. Best friend, I'm full now. That was yummy. Let me know down in the comments if y'all like Moe'S or if you like Chipotle better. I know what a lot of y'all gonna say. Well, I'm assuming a lot of y'all gonna say Chipotle, but Moe'S is pretty good. Y'all should give them a try out. I know this was short, but I have to run. I love y'all so much. If you made it to this part of the video, then you made it to the end, friend. If you want to become one of my best friends, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified of when I post new videos. And remember, best friend, feel free to share me. I love you. See you next time. Bye, best friend.